agreement even tolori yena botsa Robson Naira as his brother and then now I was going to compensate but what's about child over too much go propaganda child propaganda it's after 14 days but before that ke next ke trend go TikTok gore
umpatetse tšhelete o na o boletseng o se kele ke gopela
now you being
o se kele her toba event yela you were there ke gopela re ska araba ka gore o frustara Robson or o frustara Limpopo boy Limpopo
le nna ke a dumela gore ne ke le nna ke a dumela gore everyone na le gore ga nna ntwe ke bolelang fuck you don't get a style wena you know fuck off
that's why we style o ka se lokele ke se o phela o tswa di idea tsa rush ma banana.
Okay, do you want me to answer you on that as well? Do you want me to answer
that stupid?
Do you want me to answer that on as well? Do you want me to answer that as well?
No, I don't care.
You didn't see me when you made this last. You forgot the stupid when because you knew I'm not.
Why do
There's nothing you can do because of right now. O bolela o traile
o phela o regulo ya bjala le last o tla ka ditolanyana tsa di fake kwa yo ba kwa ra o rekela bjala le paya
wa rekela nna bjala wa rekela
Robson,
not everything is for fame, my brother. If you can lie about my name, I don't give a fuck. Everyone have been lying about my name. Robson, you will never buy me. Brati stole from me. You don't know, stupid queen.
I'm not gonna fucking lie. You can lie with your straight face, wena. You are fucking stupid.
O bolela lo wa
ene ka swele pele mo bophelong go botsa nnete ka swele pele mo bophelong o phela o ropa batho wena
okay
o phela o ropa batho you always be like that
o tlele bjala
o jika mo teng
o tlele bjala
le maloba le o ya ka gore go lokela go event ngela ka gana ka re fucking Limpopo boy stupid guy wa ke re go betse go romela message gore go lokela go event ngela rena
wa nyela wena nka texta wena wa gafa wena
ke o gopetse go lokela go event ngwa ke nna ke hanneng you must know that or ke nna ke hanneng
event everything a go khopela di event wena masepa
go bela le amaloba go gopetse wena sitlaela go wena we know re phela go
bela good liar and I hate the fact that the tlela tsa hao tsa mo TikTok di au follow while you lie you can lie in front of people o trailo stela monna wa lesilo o traiwa you are irresponsible
I've been paying you with Heineken wena no re binela for Heineken wena
stupid.
You don't know Norbina for the Heineken. Rofa 6 Heineken wena.
People are doing event together.
All right, sharp.
Wait, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. I'm telling you. Why when over defensive khan? In
Limbo boy.
Okay, I'm listening to you now.
Or manyeke nyoso le utali
okay, twela manyeke nyoso. Okay. Robson, you said you no 50-50. How much did I make? How much did you check or guy as a partner? I go on over 50-50. Wow. If I didn't see any need because of it was my event after that. We agreed on social media. Yes, it's true in front of everyone.
For 50-50,
Robson, I don't know. You think I'm one of the people more TikTok? I'm not like that, my brother. So if you're not willing to talk to me, I'm not gonna continue.
Or we agreed. We agreed to 50-50 da.
We never agreed to 50-50 nalwena.
Okay.
Yes, and I want to ask you if we agreed. We never agreed to any percentage. Okay. Am I wrong?
Okay, it's fine. Move. Ari, tola pe.
Wana go prove a point de no re a bolela nna ke nya ga re bolela as motho mo holo nna le wena no so ke nya go botsisa wena ke re if wena re agree if wena o re agree ka 50-50 because nna if I agreed with you ka 50-50 and get the artist after the event I was gonna come and go to the door and ask how much I made, ask how much we're going to split. Have you ever done one of that?
Limpopo boy, ke gopela o botsa question.
Okay.
Ke ati Stephen o tle le yona le ngore it was le ngore wena we bring ile go event nyela.
And now we're going back and forth. The artist ke tlisa ngao di tsebo wena.
Mbotse one.
The artist ke di singa o di tsebe ka moka.
Limpopo boy mpotse e1.
Bro, e re ke lebelle poster yela me bawo me bro bombuse.
Hello, Well, Robson Limpopo boy batlaja over an event yako propaganda. For the longest time, I couldn't understand what Robson does for a living, so now it sort of makes sense. I can somewhat say that he is a club promoter. Limpopo boy used to be Makati's backup dancer together with Rashma Banana. They had a fallout and then they started going their separate ways to do their solo dancing careers. Besides that, Robson is always involved with the drama chako TikTok. He has this never-ending beef Limgo, which I really do not understand or what was the cause. He and Limgo, they used to be friends and then everything just went south. A few weeks ago, Mgo received the news cha Palesa. Palesa is Robson's girlfriend. They booked at some Airbnb, but there are tough. And I don't know who leaked the videos and pictures. So when you go to these Airbnbs, there's cameras. So just be aware. Just be aware, because you know what? Some Airbnbs, they'll do you dirty and they'll leak those pictures or videos onto social media or to your enemies. So Mgo then cautioned Robson to be a man and stop dragging Palesa on social media. So Mgo is into motor mechanics, but he's being accused of being Lispinara, flaunting his houses and cars and expensive clothes on TikTok. So Mgo le Robson aralo, like in Dobana I fairly, like I have clips upon clips, but I can't really even say what they keep on dragging each other each and every single month. Every month Mgo le Robson that like at the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.
So Robson o tsamaya a tlatsa taba ya hore nna ke robetse le Mgo. And Mgo o HIV positive. Sharp fine. E re go tlhalosetse Robson, be a man. Be a man for once. And o ska re motho he le tshomi ya hao he o lwa le yena wa thoma wa nyoko hore wena o mmolele bobe for what? Ne ho le monata ke re before. And then wana if Mgo wa lwa nna rile. Go lwala yena o lwa le yona. And then le badila monno mong a le tshehiwe if Mgo wa lwala. A le tshehiwe ka boshukano ba wena. Wa tswa o lwala mo ro phamphasetsa. We understand? A ke le wena or eng ke no go no tlhalosetsa hore lo ka tsama o botsa setšhaba hore hey, you have brothers and sisters wena out there. They are sick them. Re tsebeng gore wena o lwala. Ke manga tsana ka mara relationship ya are yo mosadi ya o robala le wena ene wena wa lwala. Why do you always wanna trend ka lo tsene gore wena o tsenela batho? Do something. Do something about your behavior. Hello ke robetse le Mgo in and then what? And then hona a ruti batho selo. O ruta batho re motho a lwala a ka robala le motho o lwala same time. Baby boy, HIV is tsena ka di cuts and blood. So when I get tlhaloganye gore why o tsheha monna o mongwe o dira fun of me o he ngwana le wala jigi yo o tikira celebrity go. I never came to TikTok a ke nna celebrity. He wena o thoma o nagana ka motlhogong tikira. He wena o thoma o inagana ka motlhogong gore nna ke tikira celebrity gore ke yona. Enene e re go tlhalosetse ke a opela and I do good music. Ona no nka trend. Ke tona trend so nya gore ke opelle di tshotshwane ka motlatsa mo. I'm not trying so hard. I've worked hard from 2014 for my brand. Today batho mo nkitse just because wena nkitse malo bananyana mo. You know nothing about me. You know nothing about me. Aka tswa ka re ke no go opela nna ke thomi no. So o botse batho di facts. O ska no re thomo he ngwanola he. O tlhanga keng ba o botse re ke na le future e montloe. Mugole ba ka re wa lwala. Ke tla mo ke tlo khapa clinic ngwe emela ke nna line ene ke a o lata past street go robala le wena e be ka tsia photo o le tlo filisa bana ba batho ba lwala a re sure Mgo wa lwala le tlo diagnose batho le sa bona dipilisi le sa bona ba eme di line le sa iraeng le diagnose batho ka mellomo motho o khona di ARV a sa lwale just because what they protect a ke re ke tsona di preps tseo tsa le kana le tso di preps ke di ARV ai man Robson
ka le mkutu Palesa ha shoota di nutsu tse wa di romela go ha di romela nna wa itse kwa di rometseng ke sure kwa di rometseng ba bora ke character ya boyfriend empia or batho ba sheranga ke itse re ke nya ke itse ba ibitsai a ke part and parcel dilo tse ta so ya ona le motho ke mo fileng tsona a ke gafi ke ngwana motho mongwe Palesa ke ngwana mme o mong Palesa ke ngwana mme o mong so Robson a ke teng mo dilong tseo braka a ke khatle ke masepa nna le wena re kano se bone ka ditlhole le one mara a ke part ya dilo tseo ke sure ngutlwile e re gore mana wa advice re tla tsya ntwa ela he se tso fodile lokiselo tsago re tsya ntwa ela ra bo wa nna lona re tsola pele a gore ke lwa le wena ka lwa le palesa ke le lena le ka tsatsi la motlholong ka selo le yena ena zanga ka lwa le yena wa mfostana braka so wena o ira motete modima motete ene motete ke motete e o yona o yutlwe ene o sa yutlwela go thoko o irile flop he flop e iraitse bjana tshwantse o nne fatshe o nyake gore mollo o tukile from kae o nyake mollo gore o tla o le kae cause ka mko o irang o pressurize motho a irang dilo tseo a o itse gore motho lo tshwere lo tse kae a o itse gore motho a romelang dilo tse tshwere lo tse kae braka e ba botlhale ska lwa ka botlaile a o itse gore motho o tshwere lo tse kae and then o lwela le fifing kore o ke tlo fa yona chomi yaka ke tlo fa free advice motho o lwa le ena o lwa le sepoko no so sa itse gore sepokela kae wa mfustana ene you irela flop that thing you irela flop that thing and a we bone ene flop ke cool tla ene wena kare a se di photo tsa hao a we bone le flop e cool o thomile montsha ro sukela re ke pin hub ke photoshop irile ke pin hub khoni ba no wa ithena ora se pin hub kora ise pin hub wa izuru lo tsela di tswa ka ende rumetse ke mang wa o sala te motho a rometse dilo tse a romelang batho ena o fitla we solve ka ntwa we solve pile ka re wa rasa the more daimana yo ayo randi tafula o nne fatsi we address se holo unlike flop e o irang ntse for di mebra gona le flop mebra mosadi o trenda ka dilo tse so o fetsa o tlo dinamela batho ba botse gore le pona la mosadi le pila ba reng pila batho ba o jo o style o mbonse botlaela ba hao ka tsheko nene ke re nna ke style ke bona gore nna a ke style go wena o style just a flop o style Robson o style ka tsheko ke a o botsa o style chomi yaka just a flop go ira di flop o sa bula di panel he tsa ba bang ke dinametsa le he mo tshwantse o protect broaka ke ka mo jarateng ke ka mo lapeng ke head office o sa ina metsa hape ka botlaela ke head office tshwantse o bracket o sa dumela gore e tswe ba re wa entsha o just a mogo o style Robson ka tshoko ngwa tisa o style braka ne o style ju no re ka no la nna le wena marona lo dingwa ra tshwanelwa ka tsona wa mfostana nna ke style ke tshwanelo wena bona nna ba khona bona re ke lwa le wena ba romela nna dilo tse o pele banana ka re nna ko tlaela ka tshwana le wena wa nga ke butsi ka re bonang a ke beao braka a ke beao braka a sa bloka motho ba re ke mang mogadi ba tloele ke nyaka a ke re dimane ke a mmotsa ba ke nyaka dimana utlwe wa mfostana ke motho wa mathomo gore ba mo romelle dilo tsela Jeffostane banana ka re ka mokhokelwang le yena ko di fa batho unfortunately nna a ka di fa motho o ire daiden braka sisi ntho wa o ira nyeo ka o sa lo tla bonyo go sola batho ba senteng ke moketekete o dina sola batho bo botlhe braka nna fatse le sister a re gane go na le flop a ona mo senang flop a ona motho a senang phoso a ona motho a sa ireng diphoso we all make mistakes too often and people are judged by those mistakes a ona motho a se ireng phoso nka ba emisa ba le 700 and something bjana ka re wa senang phoso a emele mole a ona motho a senang phoso braka mara tsa re tlo bula diphanele ka lo tse di se necessary o se tlaela o mpontshitse botlaela ba o se tlaela just dumb weak braka just fucking weak chomi yaka le batho ba phela mo paneleng ya o ba botse ba weak a ba o advice ka botlhale ba o advice ka botlhale
nna wa bona o la ha ba mo konamisa o la wa ha o lo robala le yena ba mo konamisa ba tsentsha pipi ya di peanuts ba itsentsha go morao go moteteng na ke re ke motete ke re ke sa nnyana yena o rekisa motete ke rekisa nnyana you know why ke sa jiwe go moteteng wena Robzen a ke snai
Awa ke motete wena e re ke
o jiwa motete mo
awa e re ke bone
o bontshe a re go sendela ke tlo sendela
o ke a bona ke a go checka ka kuwa
lebella ke motete straight a ke jiwe motete nna a ke snai everybody a jiwa motete that's where your dignity fails
romele le rena re di post ba re
Ema pele Kawela ke nyoko khetisa smoke khopela o didimale please